If you're looking to build a fully functional website easily using a drag and drop feature, then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Hostinger Premium Website Builder Plan to create your own website from scratch. No coding required. Now here's the best part. If you use my special Hostinger partnership link, you'll get an extra 20% discount on your purchase. If you only use a coupon code, you'll get just a 10% discount. So make sure to use my partnership link instead. I've added the partnership link for all available countries in both the comment section and the description box. Just click on the link for your country and you'll be taken directly to the Hostinger page in your local language and currency. Once you're on the Hostinger website, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Services or Products tab. Here, you'll see all of Hostinger services, including hosting, website builder, and business plans. Remember, my 20% extra discount is valid across all Hostinger services, but in this video, I'll focus on the Hostinger Website Builder. Scroll down a little and you'll see all the Hostinger Horizons plans. You can choose any of them, but for this tutorial, I'm going with the Premium Website Builder plan. With this plan, you'll get a free domain and 2 months of free hosting included. You'll also notice that the 20% discount is applied automatically. Finally, just click Continue and complete your purchase of the Hostinger Horizons Premium Website Builder Plan. The link for all countries is provided in the comment section and description box, so check it out and grab your deal. Happy website building with Hostinger!